process I don't use anymore. I think I started with trying to impose a structure. So I think I was trying to figure out if I can get the structure down, then I'll write a script that's based on the structure, going from beat to beat to beat. And then I'll go and search for all the things that I need to make that happen. The process itself didn't end up that way, because it for the whole bunch of probably the first dozen videos I made, it was just messy. It never as clean as I ever wanted it to be. So there's a bit, where I think I tried the structure and then I gave up, and so I tried to write a script, and then I started looking for pictures. I was sort of doing them all kind of at the same time. I mean, the process that I've landed on now isn't too dissimilar. So for example, when I'm making a piece for the New York Times now, it will start with basically the controlling idea. At the Times, they call it nut graph. So like, give me, what's this thing going to say, this video going to say in a sentence? And sometimes we'll write like a one-page memo, which is sort of background information and who we're going to talk to and ideas about what we might see. And then I then turn that into something I call a step outline, which is sort of halfway between a script, between a structure and a script. So it's a list, basically. So you go, number one, first thing we're going to see, we're going to open on this image or this idea, and then go down to number two, then we're going to see this, and then we're going to see this, but then this is going to happen. And it's a way of kind of delineating the information into a sequential. It's where you start thinking sequentially, right? Because that's what the medium is. And then from a step outline, you can then go quite quickly into a script, because you've got beats, and you can build a film out of beats, basically, like do this beat and then do the next. And when you string them all together, you've kind of got a story. So it wasn't too, I guess in a sense, it ended up not being too dissimilar to what I do now.